Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Welcome to our YouTube channel here. I try to eat healthy as possible, and sometimes it's challenging to eat healthy because of all the threats of bad foods that come at you at the supermarket, restaurant, and so forth. But today we're going to make coffee walnut milk. And this little GreenPan nut milk maker, and I like this because you have soup, soy milk, nut oat milk. You can make smoothies, bring water to a boil. There's a self-clean cycle. The glass is encapsulated. This is made by GreenPan. I don't get any money from this. I just like their product. I literally got this for like 70 bucks on sale. So, and then there's a timer delay. First thing you want to do, get walnuts, about a half a cup. We're going to get about an ounce of coffee beans. Throw that in there. Then we're going to fill this to either the high or the low max level. I don't have enough water, so I did bring another pitcher here just in case. And we're going to fill that up. This has a cover that we could put on. There's the lip right here, so right there. Then it's plugged in. And then we're going to select nut oat milk. Okay, press the button. And again, you may be able to use your grinder, or not grinder, but your blender. We're going to get a cup available here, the strainer. I'm not sure if this is a special strainer for this purpose. Okay, it stopped there. It's should restart. I have used this at home. It actually does a really good job. I do like to make walnut milk and put it in the fridge, but after 2-3 days, it's not so good. So make just enough that you're going to use in 2 to 3 days. Stopped again. And I'll probably make another video with almonds. I do not like almonds. Do not. They have a lot of lectins in them. Walnuts and pecans, favorite. So even in your cafe, make your own nut milk. Make it fresh. You go to the supermarket or to a supplier, read the ingredients. If you don't understand the words, it's no good. That's my philosophy. Not good when you can't understand the ingredients. Water, nuts, coffee. That's it. There was actually a doctor in here yesterday who saw me like 3 years ago, and she goes, "Jim, your skin looks really good." I said, "Yeah, because I'm eating healthy." So your skin even improves. But with the New Jersey cold weather right now, it was 1 degree Fahrenheit outside, which is minus 17.22 or 33 Celsius. My skin gets dry. No matter how much moisturizer you use, it just rips it apart. We almost there? Come on. Here we go. We got the beat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Squirted on me. So now we're going to take our strainer, put it here, and typically you want something wider, but we're going to pour this in. So now it's starting to settle, and now we need to push down with a spoon. So you may say this is too much work, but just remember, you're not consuming all those bad ingredients. And these are not organic walnuts, but better than all the crummy stuff that they put in. Nice and creamy. Man, I am looking forward to this. To be honest with you, my staff out there is looking to have some of this, because it's So a couple particles came through, but I'm okay with that. I've made the walnut milk, but not with the coffee. And I may add actually another ounce or two next time. Nice and healthy, not bitter. It's got some good flavor from the coffee side as well as the walnut side. So give us a thumbs up, follow us on social media. I'm glad you got this far into the video. And as I always say, coffee first, everything else second. Take care.